Welcome to an unparalleled coastal masterpiece, where panoramic ocean views extend 180 degrees from Bronte to Tamarama. This contemporary tri-level residence is a beacon of modern design, offering a seamless blend of luxury and functionality. From the moment you step inside, floor-to-ceiling glass and soaring ceilings invite natural light and ocean breezes, creating a bright and airy ambience. The open-plan living area is designed for effortless coastal entertaining. Occupying a prime spot on an exclusive street, this home delivers the ultimate coastal lifestyle. With easy access to world-class beaches and top schools, the gourmet kitchen, a focal point of the home, overlooks the pool and backyard, making it perfect for both casual and formal gatherings. The residence features 4 generously sized bedrooms, including a grand primary suite with a sitting area and a spacious walk-in robe. For added versatility, there's a lower level lounge that can serve as a guest suite or additional living space. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, from the elegant herringbone wood floors to the sophisticated travertine bathrooms. This home isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle. Experience the pinnacle of coastal living in this exceptional property, where luxury and convenience come together in perfect harmony.